Hey guys, I accidentally made T-Series stronger than PewDiePie. Don't worry guys, we're updating PewDiePie so he's stronger in T-Series. Look at T-Series, I'm just crying for the mama, bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. You got a population of 1 point. So anyway, we're gonna play multiplayer now. Gee, thanks. What the hell? Kick them out, join them. What the freak? Kick them out, bro. What? Are you serious? Pansythecat101. Is my Wi-Fi on? Because this usually what does it? No. Okay. Yeah. I'm the Wild Clan. I have no friends. How about join game? Anything with the double D's, I ain't playing that. Paza. What the freak? No locked game, that's cool. I'm only gonna play US games because if it's like all Canadians or something, I can't understand. I can't understand no Japanese peoples. Fixed and free. Okay. Oh, there's signs going off in the distance. Where do I live, Detroit? I'm sorry. Alright, so Paco, my buddy. Alright, I'm gonna pause this. Alright, so it's basically loaded. Oh, there we go. Good lord. There's a glitch, help. Help. Somebody please help. Hey. Oh, good lord. Is this just me, or is it, like, the keyboard is glitched? I can't see the letters. Is a glitch. Yeah, woof to you, boy. Hey, how you doing? Hey. 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 Bruh, I just ran right into the freaking street lamp. Hey. Hey. Yo. Oh, she's trying to get that mate, though. I'm gonna watch her date. And watch them date. Dating is a beautiful process. Good lord. Nigga, he ain't doing nothing to her. Roar. 30 damage, 34 damage. Ah, crap. Nuts. 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 We're dead. We're dead. I ain't stopping. I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. Run. 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 For a second, I thought I was freaking angry somebody. For a second, I thought I was playing Infamous. I could just drain power from the street lamp to heal. Hey. Hey. So how's it going? I freaking help you. And you literally don't even talk to me. You are rude, you know that? Do the freaking battle. Come on. Come on. It's because a higher level than me. Oh my god, I keep on making a mistake. Alright, so it's probably my freaking keyboard because before I started this video, it kept saying connection to the server timed out. It's probably like a glitch for not like being online or something. But somehow it let me join, so. Hey, you get back here. You get back here. Bella, wait. Bella, wait. Wait. We're gonna save her life. Just joking, we're probably gonna get murdered in the process of this, but why the heck? Why not? Why not? Okay, I'm dead, I'm dead. Go back! Jump! Hop along. God dang it. Gosh dang it. Alright, so we gonna go heal. Alright, you know what? This game is freaking glitched, fam. We're leaving. See ya! How is the quitting loading by quicker? Great! Oh, great. That's so cool. I'm gonna do a different server. This one's really gonna be glitchy. I was gonna do the one that says Shelly because she's like a different clan. We're gonna do some clan fighting. Clan wars. But forget it. I think the lone bar is stuck. What? Okay, then. But I saw it move a tiny inch. Okay, it's stuck. Alright, so I reset the game. And I probably should have waited till after this freaking bullcrap loaded. Alright, so... I'm tired. I'm tired, guys. Refresh. There we go. Woo! That good, the goodies. Alright. Okay, then. And once again, the loading bar is stuck. Hooray! Oh, wait, never mind. It's moving. Okay. Okay, guys. So, please. Okay. Hi. How's it going? What'd you just say to me? What did you just say to me? Excuse me. I have a... Go away. I have higher level than you. I have higher stats than you. And I can beat your butt at anything. I challenge you to a duel. What? What does Suka add? Very suspicious. Suspicious. Okay. We're gonna go down to space. Jump. Oh, come on! Will you be still, please? Let me serve you. Alright, so. Bro, I'm not even heading in the right direction. I'm not even heading in one direction. Ooh. Yes, duel. Nailed it. Where you at? Where you at, boy? Come at me. Come at me. Dude. What the freak you even doing? Alright. This sucker ain't even doing nothing. Alright, let's go. Let's get him. Let's get him. This mofo is like me when I start. This sucker's like me when I started playing the game. Bro. Oh, come on. You bring a fox into this. Oh, come on. Yeet. Yeet. No. No, I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Never mind, I'm going away. Never mind, I'm going away. I don't want to see you. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Save the day. Yay. Hey. Dude. Get it, A. Does this even use the chat button at all? Fam. Also, you have no idea how much work I put into my freaking videos. Son. I legit put 24 hours of work in my videos. Seriously, if you watch one of my Bubblegum Simulator videos, instead of saying Welcome to Bubblegum Simulator, the subtitles actually just say Welcome to Bubblegum. Because, I got a little bit lazy there. So, and then Bubblegum disappears before the words Welcome to. So then it basically just says Welcome to. Ugh. So that's basically stupid of me. It's stupid. Hey. Dude. Hey. Hey. Hey, dude. I can help you level up. I can help you up. Can. You would literally go ask these people like, hey, I'm fan, I can help you level up. Or just gonna sound like, I fan, can I help you level up? Well, you suck. Nobody was asking you, dude. Is anybody even in the game anymore? Let me check. Yeah. Hi. I don't know why I just did that, but I just did though. It's the hero instincts. That comment back that bites me, Captain. I don't know why. I don't even know why I said that either. I have no freaking idea. They just. Is this sucker just standing still? Is this sucker just freaking on YouTube watching his Homer Simpson videos? Watching Taste Series? Because if he is, I'm gonna hack the sucker's location. I'm gonna smack him in the face when I find him. I'm gonna punch him in the face. I totally unsubscribe to Taste Series. Note, I can't actually do that, so don't call the police. I can't actually hack, but one day I will learn. And I'll find this guy's address. I'm gonna freaking punch him in the face. Actually, it would actually kind of hurt depending on how old he is. Like, I'm 8, and he's like 50 or something. So punching him would actually, like, freaking hurt him and me. Oh, this sucker fighting a bear? Dude, what the heck are you doing with your life? Apparently Bella's thing is, like, stuck. Glitched. Hi. H. I. Hi. Great. Where's the sucker going? The sucker's going to the edge of the road, man. What's she doing? The sucker's attempting to swim in a freaking endless ocean. Bro. Sit down. Sit down. Alright. So we're gonna go over here to Kirby Gamer. So I'm guessing the sucker's a nerd. Literally savage 8-year-old instincts activate when I see the name Kirby in anything. This sucker's a nerd sipping his apple juice. Or his orange juice, whatever's freaking nerdier than that. Are you serious? This guy is legit in the ocean. Dude, you're gonna drown. You are gonna freaking drown. You are gonna freaking drown. Don't be... Hang on. Be... Bro, I'm typing it. No, screw it. Don't be Ben drowned. Don't be Ben drowned. I mean, his dad drowned him, but seriously though. Dude, what are you even doing? Are you trying to be the woman from Jaws? Up, she became Ben drowned. Well done, you've officially killed yourself and became Ben drowned. How does it feel to be a freaking glitching through TVs, murdering people, probably spying on that woman, probably twerking the exercises? What the heck? I can't. I don't know how it's funny to me, to be honest. Yo, this sucker's got a gibberish username. This sucker probably has never heard of video games. And this sucker's slow as a turtle. So, yeah, I'm savage when I'm tired, so shush. Yo, dude. Yo, dude. Freaking move. Why are you standing there? Why are you standing? Boy. Why are you standing there, boy? I bet this sucker's like a YouTuber and he's like trolling people by like being the most annoying guy. Okay, I'm leaving. This is his server now. He owns the server now. May he annoy whoever joins that server. Black Venom. I hate this guy. I never watched his movie. Chappa. Oh, Daisy. Oh my god. Yeah, I know what 69 is, people. I mean, I wasn't born during it, so I don't know what it's like. But, bro, shut up. Dude, I want to go to 69. You know what? Alright, Chappa the Rapper. Chappa the Rapper is like freaking Nappa. I think I need a Nappa to get Chappa. If you want 10 freestyle raps, you gotta talk to Corey Extension. Because I can't even rap. Basically, this is what I got for a Corey Extension rap. Corey Extension don't need that height extension. Even the subscribers can't reach in full extension. Doesn't even matter if PewDiePie and T-Series beat you. You always gonna be cooler than them, dude. So that didn't even rhyme. Well, I tried, okay? I tried. OMGA's in this game, too. Yay. Yay. How's it going? Hey. Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad, my bad. I freaking hit. Oh, this look like... Bro, you gotta wait, dude. Dude, you're not even trying. Run away, little doggy. This mofo at this freaking point. What is Sucker doing? He's like circling me. And then you dead, fam. Come back when you're level. Come back when you're level 10. Homeboy. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I know this is a super long Dogs episode. I'm gonna probably make it to like 30 minutes. Chappa and A. Chappa the rapper, and let's make it Nappa. I can't even make it clear if I was taking a nap. Pfft. What rhymes with nap? Fappa. Slap. Clap. I don't know why these are making me laugh. 8-year-old instinct.
So the gun, whichever will it be? Fuck down, T-series, I made it spell the real T.